Welcome to English Pro Free Audio English Lessons. Socrates. Socrates was a philosopher who lived in Athens, Greece from 469 to 399 BCE. He is one of the most famous and influential thinkers in Western philosophy, and his ideas have shaped the way people think about ethics, politics, and knowledge. Socrates was born in Athens to a stonemason father and a midwife mother. As a young man, he served in the Athenian army during the Peloponnesian War, but he did not participate in any major battles. Instead, he spent his time in philosophical discussions with fellow soldiers and other Athenians. After the war, Socrates became a well-known figure in Athens for his unconventional ideas and his method of questioning people's beliefs. He believed that true knowledge could only be obtained by questioning and examining one's own beliefs and assumptions. He would often engage in dialogues with other Athenians, asking them questions about their beliefs and challenging them to defend their ideas. Socrates did not write down his ideas, so much of what we know about him comes from the writings of his followers, especially the philosopher Plato. According to Plato, Socrates believed that virtue, or moral excellence, was the most important thing in life. He also believed in the concept of a divine voice, or inner voice, that guided him in his philosophical pursuits. Socrates' ideas were not always popular with the Athenian authorities. In 399 BCE, he was accused of corrupting the youth of Athens and impiety or disrespecting the gods. He was put on trial and sentenced to death by drinking hemlock, a poisonous substance. Despite the opportunity to escape, Socrates chose to accept his sentence and die for his beliefs. Socrates' death made him a martyr for philosophy and a symbol of intellectual freedom. His ideas and his method of questioning have continued to influence philosophers and thinkers throughout history, from Aristotle to Nietzsche to contemporary thinkers.